We make tools that fix, maintain, and create. But here's a new type of tool that helps you earn offers and rewards every day in a variety of ways. It's kind of our thing. Welcome to Leatherman Insider Rewards Program. Free to join and rewarding from day one. Get rewarded for things you already do, like creating a profile, buying products, writing reviews, and more. Your instant rewards include free standard shipping, hassle-free returns, and, drumroll, a 40-year extended warranty. And the more points you earn, the higher the level you'll reach, which means even more perks, like special sales events, exclusive offers, and birthday and anniversary rewards. Because who doesn't love more rewards? As you level up, you'll unlock access to even more benefits, plus cool surprises we're still assembling. So why wait? You're only a few clicks away from being a member of the world's first ever rewards program for multi-tool owners. Add rewards to your everyday carry list. Go to leatherman.com and click Insider Rewards Program.